The anthropogenic age is defined as the era of human interaction with the climate and environment. Unfortunately, since the onset of the Industrial Revolution, human interactions with the global environment have been overwhelmingly negative. With globalization and industrialization increasing around the world, the atmosphere is being pumped with a variety of fossil fuel emissions. The world's oceans are paying for our crimes. According to the U.S. Global Climate Change Research Program, approximately 93% of the excess heat energy trapped since the 1970s have been absorbed into the oceans. This has resulted in an increase in ocean temperature and salinity, as detected by the ARGO program, an international program recording ocean characteristics across the world with a network of buoys. The ocean is a delicate and all too important environment that deserves international attention. Regrettably, inaction by the federal governments will be the death of our oceans. Areas that have coral reefs, such as off the coast of Australia, have felt the negative impacts of the changing pH levels in the water. Without these reefs, a diverse array of aquatic life are left without habitats, essentially condemning them to extinction, a popular trend in the age of the Anthropocene. Without human intervention, the coral reefs will be exposed to the ever-increasing sea temperatures and salinity. The projected forecast for global emissions seems bleak, directly affecting global sea temperatures and the ocean's biggest absorber of excess heat energy. However, these effects do not remain limited to aquatic life. Without the Great Barrier Reef, Australia loses potentially millions of dollars of tourism. Obviously, this would have a disastrous effect on the social and economic lives of millions of Australians. The solutions are clear, but the implementation is not simple. There must be a concentrated and deliberate lessening of the global carbon emissions. Moreover, the communities of Eastern Australia must attempt to purify runoff as to not pollute the reefs further. If ocean temperatures and salinity stabilize, aquatic life in the ocean can be saved.